We are gonna play.
We're gonna play.
Lalong lahi.
Yeah. Hello guys. Welcome to my guys. Hello vlog. Hello vlog.
So, look at our classmates.
Hello guys. Paano maging pogi guys? Basta.
Matutorial ako kung paano maging pugi.
Top 10 strongest countries in the world.
America!
South Korea, Kim Jong-un, reunited with Kim Jong-un.
So today we're going to our classroom.
For today's video, we will be playing laro ng lahi. So, yeah.
Shout out to si Bian Aike, the YouTuber.
Sana mahulog sila pa sa maraot.
For today's video, we will be going anywhere. Oh, panilaw. Pinsan ko yan. Galing ko siya. Oh, pinsan ko yan. Sakmainin kita tubig. For today's video, kukuha